Well, Uber just launched bonuses for drivers and actually Lyft as well, which I wanted to discuss here on my show, where I'm in this massive Facebook group and a lot of drivers are contributing in there. And I wanted to really dive in and say, are these bonuses worth it right now? Would you go out and chase these bonuses, okay? Before I jump into these bonuses, I wanted to offer and extend to you a new way to make money. Well, actually, I've been doing this for years, but I think it's a new way in the grand scheme of things. It's on YouTube. You can now create a faceless YouTube channel, and the reason it's new is because I just broke down all of the steps on how to create a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel, sorry, and actually make money. And this is coming from somebody who has changed his life from doing YouTube and by doing faceless YouTube channels, and also from somebody who has over 1 million subscribers, and somebody who has bought a house in Southern California for over $1 million from money that I made on YouTube, okay? So YouTube is no joke. I mean, I will tell you, like, I haven't worked a normal job in 5 years because I've been mainly doing YouTube and TikTok, but YouTube primarily was the first thing that allowed me to do this. And for the first time ever, I finally thought, you know what? Let me share the knowledge. Let me spread the wealth. So right now you can sign up for my group and there is a monthly fee. However, for the first 100 people who join, you can get a free trial and try it out. And I'm gonna allow you to do that. And you can watch all the material, join our group chat. If you like it, you can stay because I will be updating it and adding in new things, making it better. You know, anyways, and I will be helping you out along the way. That's the main reason you want to stay, is because I will be giving you feedback, helping you out. And yeah, I honestly think anybody, I mean, I actually taught my friend how to do this. She started making $40,000 a month. Okay, she went ballistic on this and she started doing it every single day. And I was like, kudos to you. She was a girl too. I mean, girls are smart, obviously, but yeah, she killed it, changed her life too. And yeah, if you want to check out the link below, you can. Otherwise, let's dive into these Uber bonuses, okay? Because that's where the real money is, right? The Uber bonuses. We all know how great these are. So I wanted to share with you guys, this is somebody in our Facebook group. He shared these Uber bonuses, and look at this. Let's make sure that this focuses. This is what the Uber bonuses are. I mean, if you're out in Uber chasing these Uber bonuses, I mean, kudos to you, because I could not do it. Select next quest. You can edit this quest selection until Friday. 60 trips for 50 bucks. Wow, that's actually less than $1 bonus per ride. Or rides and eats 50 trips for 40 bucks. 40 trips for 30 bucks. I'm sorry, these are really bad now. You know what's crazy is that inflation is going up and up and up. The cost of car maintenance has gone up. The price of cars has gone up. Gas has gone up. I mean, they're paying at McDonald's 20 bucks an hour in California now. Every fast food chain now. If they have over 60 locations, they have to pay over 20 bucks an hour. You know what's crazy is that if you go to a local mechanic shop, their prices have gone up over the past years because they need to account for the price of the parts, and also they got to pay their employees more. So you would think that operating a vehicle, since that has gone up in price, that Uber would also raise their rates or their bonuses, but less than $1 bonus, 60 trips, this is absolutely horrendous. Now let's take a look at the Lyft one. This is the Lyft Ride Challenge. Your progress, up to 160 bucks in bonuses, $90, 17 of 30. Okay, well, at least they're paying $3 in bonuses, $3 per ride in bonuses. That's a little bit better on Lyft. But yeah, please comment below what Uber or Lyft is offering you in bonuses, because this guy who shared this, that's absolutely horrible. And that's a joke. Uber needs to step up and pay the drivers more right now, especially with the cost of how much it costs to live. I don't understand how any driver right now is paying their bills just on driving Uber alone. So anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know if you do sign up for the Faceless YouTube channel link, or if you you know, give me any feedback as well, because it's a brand new community that I just created, and I'm extremely excited about it. It's what I am. So let me know if you join it, and let me know if you want to sign up. And again, there's a 7-day trial. You can sign up. You don't need to show your face. You don't need experience. You don't need a following at all. But you're gonna get taught from somebody who has done this for years. So and who does have a following. But yeah, you don't need a following at all. Anyways, guys, love to see you over there. If not, have an awesome, awesome day out there. Be safe. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.